think it's frozen. Deep boy first put it on, know how I pop out. Bullshit is not important, but I'ma lock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on through my heart, I think it's frozen.
Not gonna lie, it's a nice morning. It's cold outside, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go for this ride real quick. Plus, don't expect the fastest bike or nothing like that, cause I ain't no good rider. I am 3 out of 10 right now, okay? Just started riding, 3 out of 10. My garage closed, yep. All my neighbors got bikes, huh? Yo, it's cold as hell. Use my indicator, you know what I'm saying? Make people know that I'm going. Even though I always forget to turn it off. Wonder where I should go. Baby, it's cold outside. Ooh, look at that bike right there. That's cool. Hey, I'm a bike boy now, you know what I'm saying? Plus, trying to record this audio 2 ways for you guys. One, through the glasses that I have. Well, through my phone audio, and the next one through my GoPro. So hopefully the audio come out at least a little bit decent. If it doesn't, that's just probably ain't gonna see this video if it doesn't. But let's see what happens. Not gonna lie, the GoPro felt like it was gonna blow off my head just now. I ain't gonna even cap. Damn, I can always not find neutral. There we go. The GoPro felt like it was about to blow off my goddamn head. So yeah, we definitely ain't gonna go too fast, cause as I said, I'm not no pro on this bike. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably a 3, as a matter of fact, a 2 out of 10, I ain't gonna lie. And this early in the bike channel, I mean, we like pushing everything to the limits, but we definitely ain't gonna push this to the limits today. Go watch It's Just a 6 for that for sure. Well, our timeout. He does his bike shit mainly on timeout. I should have worn my damn shades. Come on, light change. Damn, why did the light take so long? There we go. I ain't a big fan of leaning yet. Big fan of leaning, so when I'm going around corners, I go slow. saying the orange bike sounds better. Again, my boy Jeremy rents out these, so you can come rent a bike from him. Damn, a dead animal, damn it. Damn, all this push. You slow my ass down. What the fuck is this? But yeah, we normally go over there and do Hellcat shit. Right over there. That's where I started the Hellcat video last time. Right over here. Put this shit in neutral. Show y'all this thing real quick. Cause the wind is hella damn cold right now, bro. Look at this man feeding the cats. But yeah, look at it. R6, I know nothing about bikes, I ain't gonna even lie. I know this is a 600 and that's all I know. It's a Yamaha 600, R6 600. That's all I know about it. The orange one that he has as well is a Honda CBR 600. That's all I know. I even forgot the years, I ain't gonna even lie. But yeah, he got some nice bikes here. We're gonna bring it back home, man. This is it's a long enough POV, I ain't gonna lie. It's cold out here. Yeah, we're gonna bring it back. I would give you guys a couple of revs, but he feeding the cats. I don't want his cats to get scared. When I go around the corner, I'll rev it. Plus, bikes need reverse, I ain't gonna lie. But as I said, I am not going crazy because I ain't no top rider, okay? I should get one of my boys to ride it, I ain't gonna lie. That's what I should have did. Get one of them to ride it and put the camera on their heads. But we're gonna bring this shit back to the crib. At least I've installed it, you know what I'm saying? That's because I know how to drive manual though. On the indicator again. But yeah, that's the R600, man, or the R6, RSX, so whatever it's called. Take off the GoPro. Yeah, as I said, if you want to rent it, hit him up on IG and you can rent them. Because these burn no gas, bro. These shit do not burn any gas. But yeah, that's the R6. If you guys want to see more bike content, don't ask, because you won't be seeing it. Yeah, I'm not a rider, okay? This is a once in a while thing that I hop on these. Now, yeah, hit him up. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. That's if you could even hear shit. If you couldn't, sorry, okay? Hopefully the camera looked good too. I don't even know. But yeah, that's it for this one. I'm gonna go do the V6 Chally now. Yeah. That's what this channel is all about, man. Driving everything that we can, and every nice thing, you know what I'm saying? And pushing it a little bit. We ain't gonna push this to the limits, because as I said, I'm a 3 out of 10. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know a lot about riding bikes, so I'm not gonna jump on it and try to go crazy. That's how people kill themselves, you know what I'm saying? I'll go my level. On a car, I know what I'm doing behind the wheel, but on a bike, I don't. It's a learning experience, so you go slow and steady, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go put it back in my garage, and that's it for this one, bro. Bye-bye.